So guys, welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So guys, today as always I'm going to share with you one more cool strategy for the binary options market. If you want to start trading like me, you should open the description to this video, because here you will find amazing cool link for my private Telegram channel. And here, my friends, you can get access to daily trading analytics, daily trading signals, and another cool stuff that I offer you. So, and the most important thing is that you can become a VIP member, and all that you need for this is just to write me a private message telling me that you want to become VIP. After this, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel. And here, guys, each day I hold daily trading online sessions, and you can start earning and trading with me each day online. So don't lose this chance. And now let's proceed to our work. I'm going to use several indicators. First of all, I'm going to use Donchian channel indicator together with MACD indicator. Our initial deposit is just $8. We need to upgrade it. As always, we are going to use only short time period of just 1 minute, and we are going to invest our whole deposit in each trade. This will help us to save our time and to enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. So, the first trade that we have opened is buy position according to the results of MACD indicator, because as you can see, green line is above the red one, and for us that means that price will highly likely go up. For those who don't know how a MACD indicator works, everything is very simple. Green line is above the red one. For us, that's a strong signal that price will highly likely go up. Contrary to that, if green line is below the red one, for us, that's a signal that price will highly likely go down. So everything is very understandable. Now, let's think further. Once again, according to the results of MACD indicator, we have opened buy position because green line is above the red one, and we have invested $15 in this trade. So now let's just wait a little bit until we get our money. I like this work, really. I really like my business. I really love this life. Splendid. Okay. Now let's continue. Let's open USD INR currency pair. What can we see here? Okay, as you can see, price is going to rise according to the MACD indicator. You can clearly see that green line is going to cross the red one and go up. That's why we have opened buy position here. Okay, so here, according to the MACD indicator, as you can see, price is going down because green line has crossed the red one in the direction of fall. And now we have opened sell position because price will highly likely go down. So now we just need to wait a little bit until we get our money. Perfect. Let's continue. Okay, so here, once again, according to the MACD indicator, price is going down, green line is below the red one. That's why we have open sell position. and nothing new, nothing interesting. You know, I have several times. As for me, I don't like such kind of trading when you start from just small deposit, because you need a lot of time to upgrade it, to pump it. And of course you need to make a deposit on the market. I prefer QUOTEX market. So you just follow my recommendations. We open positions together, and approximately 99% of my trading sessions are profitable. I wouldn't say that 100% are profitable, but 99% are profitable. All of my subscribers earn each day from $200 to $5,000 nearby each day. Of course, this depends on the initial deposit on the market, and this helps you to first of all get knowledge, skills, and experience in this sphere, and moreover, you can gather money and build your first big initial deposit, which will help you to trade after this on your own, without my help, if you want to do so. However, even if after this you have any kind of questions when you trade yourself, you can always ask me whatever you want concerning trading in the private messages, and I will always answer and help you. Because this is my duty. I'm that guy who involved you in that sphere, and I'm responsible for you. That's my life credo, and that's my lifestyle. Okay guys, now let's focus on the work, because I'm continuing trading while speaking with you. All in all, we have now around $360 on our account. That's not so big sum for now. However, it's better than $8. We're continuing. We need to pump our deposit more. Now we had one more profitable trade. We opened it according to the results of MACD indicator, because as you can see, green line is strictly above the red one. Now let's continue. We're changing our investment to $682. And now let's think what we should open next, which position and which currency pair we should choose now. So, my friends, as you can see, we can observe a very nice pattern. Head and shoulders, left shoulder, head formed, and now we are observing the formation of right shoulder. After this, price will highly likely fall and go down. MACD indicator is also telling us the same thing, because green line is below the red one. That's why we have open sell position here at the best entry point, and now we just need to wait until we get our money. Okay, that's quite good. So here guys, once again, according to the MACD indicator, we have opened buy position because green line is above the red one, and for us it's a strong signal to buy. So once again, we have two options why we have opened this position. The first one is Donchian channel indicator. As you can see, price has reached the bottom of the channel. After this, price will highly likely go up towards the middle of the channel, or even high towards the roof of the channel, the upper edge of it. Together with this, we can observe that price has reached a strong level of support, and this moment is also showing to us that price will highly likely go up. That's why we have opened this position and we got our profit. Now let's continue. I think we should open the last position for today. We have already earned enough. So now just look at this. We have now price is on the strong level of support, which doesn't allow price to go lower anymore. That's why we can say with 100% of confidence that price will highly likely go up. And according to this, we have opened 3 buy positions with investment of $1,000 each one. So totally we have invested $3,000 in that deal. Now let's wait a little bit and we will get our money. You can see this big green candle, which is telling us that we will be rich very soon. Okay guys, so that's it. Just look at this. We have earned $6,629 on our account and we just started with $8 on it. So if you want to have the same results like me, you can do this. Everything is very simple. If you want to lie in the bathroom, relax and get some money, all you need is just to be with me and I can help you to do the same. What do you need? Now you are opening description to this video, click on the link to my private Telegram channel, subscribe to it, look through the materials, education materials, daily analytics, daily trading signals. After this, you write me a private message and tell, Michael, dear, I want to become a VIP member. I'm answering you, of course, my friends. I will automatically add you here. This is for free. All you need is just to make deposit on the QUOTEX market. After this, you are in my VIP channel. Each day, I'm holding daily online trading sessions. You can participate in them, in all of them, each day. And get your money. Just follow my trading signals and recommendations and get your money, get your $200, $300, $1,000, $5,000 each day. Everything depends only on your deposit. So I'm the only guy who is offering this for free. Because just look at this. I have everything. I don't need your money. I just need your attention and small commission for all your profits. Thank you, my dear friends, and have a nice day.